Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tamara. If you're new, but if you're not, thank you for clicking on one of my videos again today. So today I decided to do this purple cut crease with just a dash of pink in it. Pink and purple are like my favorite colors. But yeah, I decided to do this very dramatic cut crease look with glitter, and I'm very happy with the outcome of the look. If you guys like it too, then make sure that you guys give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel so you guys can see like future videos of mine. But yeah, if you see how I came up with this look, just keep on watching. Bye. So as you guys can see, before we start, I already did one eye off camera, so now I'm going to do the other eye, and as you can see, it's like a huge difference, which is the whole point. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to prime my lid using my MAC Studio Finish Concealer in NC35. I'm going to take this Flawless Concealer brush, and I'm just going to apply this all over my lid. And this is to help the eyeshadow stick onto my lid. And then to set that, I'm going to take my Airspun face powder. I'm just going to set it so it don't crease. And so the palette I'm going to use today is this Morphe 35B palette. I just got this palette maybe like a month or two ago. Like a month and a half ago. So the first shade I'm going to go in with, that's my transition color. I'm going to take this pretty hot pink color. I'm going to put this above my crease. Next color I'm going to go in with this plum color at the bottom, and I'm going to put that right below where I put the first color. To darken it up just a little bit, I'm going to take this darker purple below and just take a little. And this is just to deepen it up just a tad bit. So next I'm going to cut the crease with the same concealer that I used before, and I'm going to use this angle brush. And to set that, I'm going to go in with this color right here, just to set the concealer, and then to also have a base from when I put the glitter on top. So I'm going to take this adhesive glue, and I'm going to put the glitter on little by little, but I kind of have mixed my glitters a little bit. I used these two glitters by NYX, and I had mixed them together, kind of. I did more of this than this, but this one is an 11 and this was a number 3. And these are my sister glitters. Okay. So I'm going to first apply the glue. And I'm going to take this flat brush and apply it. Okay, so I did the face because I repeatedly do my face on camera, and if you guys do want to see my face routine, then I do have a video on there, but I'll link it down in the description box. But I just mainly want to focus on the eyes in this video. And I'm gonna go in my rose gold Makeup Revolution palette. This is like one of my favorites. So I'm gonna take this pretty pink color, and I had put this in my brow bone, but I didn't include that in the video. I'm gonna pop this in my inner corner. Oh, snap. I have these two lip pencils by NYX. I literally just opened them. This one is in prune and this one's in pale pink. So I'm gonna take prune. I'm just gonna line my lips with prune. Should I put a gloss? I think I should. I think I might regret it, but who cares? Actually, this is not bad. This is the NYX Butter Gloss in Modern Rouge. Modern Rouge, or whatever. Yeah, this is cute. This is so lush.